how to download Fortnite without Epic Games. So the first thing that we want to do is go to Google and just search for Fortnite, and this is the official Fortnite website, so fortnite.com. Open up this first website right here. Now if we click on download in the top right corner, it's going to look like this, and it will show us a bunch of different options of how we can play Fortnite. So we can download it via the Epic Games launcher, which we don't want to do, and right here, right underneath it, it will show us other ways to play. So what we can do is we can use Amazon Luna Streaming, GeForce Now Streaming, or Xbox Cloud Gaming, and it's also available on the Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, and mobile. So we will choose one of these options right here. So depending on which one you have, for example, if we have GeForce Now Streaming, once we click on it, it will show us how we can play it. So with NVIDIA's GeForce Now service, play Fortnite through cloud streaming on Windows PC, Mac OS, and iOS Safari browser. Android phones, tablets, Android TV, NVIDIA Shield TV supported, Samsung TVs, and select so on and so forth. So if we click on play now right here, it will show us how we can actually launch this and play using NVIDIA. Unfortunately, I don't have NVIDIA to show you, but if you have NVIDIA GeForce Now experience, you can use this. If you have a NVIDIA graphics card, you can also use Cloud Gaming, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and Amazon Luna Streaming. It's gonna show you the same thing. Amazon Luna, play Fortnite through cloud streaming on Windows PC. So if you click on play now, it will refer us to the Luna Amazon website here, and we can install it, as you can see. And that's how you do it. You can click on play with Luna, so on and so forth. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.